In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WP Construction Mode or WP Construction Mode Pro in order to create a under construction landing page or maintenance mode landing page for your entire website or only for one of your pages while you're building your site. The beauty of this plugin is it allows you as the admin or the editor to continue working on your site and seeing your site as it will look while everyone else will see a designed templated menu page with some text, a logo, some progress, and a newsletter subscription, as well as social icons. So I'm just going to go through the plugin fairly quickly and show you how to set up the settings. At this point, I'm going to assume that you've already installed and activated the plugin, whether it's the free or the pro version. It works the same way. The main thing in the plugin is the on or off toggle switch. So when the plugin is active, if it's off, nothing will change on your site. You will still see the site as usual. You will still see everything here. Whenever you do want to turn on construction mode, you just kind of want to switch this on and then update, or whenever you want it off, you just switch it back off. From here, you can set if you want this plugin to apply to the entire website or only one page. For example, if your site is already live and you're just adding a new page or editing an existing page, then you can just select that page from here. The loading style in the free version, it's the progress bar, and you can set the percentage of how ready your website is. In the pro version, you have the option of a countdown timer, and then you can set the day and the hour that you anticipate your site to be live. That way to create some excitement for your site viewers. And with the countdown, you have all these color options for how the countdown should be styled. The flat colors is the most appealing one. However, you can also choose white or black. Choose the one that is most appropriate to your site. When you install the plugin, you can right away click on preview, and you will see the default plugin, what it looks like. At this point, all I've done is I've uploaded a logo, just a test logo, but everything else is these are the dummy data that comes already installed in the plugin when it's new. So you can use the appearance menu to change things like a logo, the background image, title, subtitle, colors, and what kind of animation you want. Again, all of these, anything you change here will be reflected immediately on this side of things. So to go over some of the templates, this is the default template that comes with the free version. The pro version allows you to choose a one-page template or a moving background. The one page, if I update, it looks like this. Similar setup. I also changed it to a countdown over here earlier when I was playing around with it. And the About Us and the Contact Us section will now be in the menu, and whenever you click on one, it will scroll you down to that section of the page. Whereas the initial page continues to be the loading screen with the countdown or the progress. In any of these templates, you can switch to countdown or progress bar, and it will change the appearance. The last template is the moving background, and if I save and update, the moving background works very similarly in terms of how you set it up. However, the design is different. The background is always rotating to the left. The About Us and the contact sections are still there. And you have your social icons, which look a little different. So it's a different design that might work for you better. It depends on what your preference is. The purpose of all these settings is for you to choose what animation you like the most, what template you like the most, and choose the ones that you want. Basically for any of your sites. The social icons are pretty straightforward. If you want to use, if you want that social icon to show up, enter a URL. If you don't want Twitter, for example, you just delete whatever is in there. Anything that's blank will not show up. That works the same way with the logo and the background image, the title, the subtitle. Any setting that you leave blank will not show up. And the About Us and the Contact Us section, these are HTML support boxes, so you can go ahead and write straight up HTML in here. If you don't know how to write HTML, or if you're not too comfortable with it, with the plugin, this chunk of code comes already pre-built into it, so that way your contact us and the about us sections will look like this without you having to write any CSS or whatever. So if you want to change the text, you can come in here, find the text that you want to change, and change it to anything else, basically. Update and preview, and it will reflect the changes right away. That's pretty much a quick run through of the plugin. It's fairly easy to use. If you have any questions, feel free to visit us on the website. Go to the support section, send us a message, or go to the WordPress forums support and post it on the plugins page, which will be right here under support, and then we will get back to you with a resolution to your question or issue. And there you have it. Thank you very much, and enjoy the plugin.